Hey guys, it's PMHK here obviously, and today we're gonna be taking a look at this backpack that I have over here. Now this is the Iconics anti-theft backpack with a USB charging port here on the side. Now they claim that this bag, the guys that sell the bag, claim that this bag will save you from theft. I'm gonna start by reading a couple of the description. Actually, it starts by saying, do you know that every day 400,000 pickpocket incidents occur worldwide? So if you didn't know, now you know. And then it goes on to say, stay one step ahead of thieves and in sync with all your favorite gadgets, which I actually have a couple of them put inside just to give it a little bit of weight and also context for this video obviously. And then it describes a couple of the features that this bag has. It has a concealed anti-theft zip, which I'm gonna show you to you guys just now. It also has advanced storage, secret pockets, clean contemporary design as you guys can see. It looks all beautiful and stuff. And it also has a sable light reflector for nighttime travel. That's good. Designed for daily commute and interval, and it goes on giving other specification and so forth. So we're gonna start by looking at the outer compartment or at the outer side of the bag itself. So we're gonna start with actually what gives this bag the anti-theft design. So as you can see, there are no zips in front of the bag. I guess that is what actually shows that nobody can get access to this bag unless it's you and unless it's out of your actual bag. So no zip this side, and the zips are all actually all the way this side here, as you guys can actually maybe see from this angle. And this is where they have actually placed the zip. So when this backpack is on your back, let me see if I can actually demonstrate it to you guys. So if it's on your back, there is no way for somebody to actually access it from the back because the zip itself is hidden the side. As you guys can see, it's right there, and nobody can access from the front of the bag unless you actually remove the bag, and then you can access the zip. So on the outside you also find your USB charging port, which I'm going to show you to you guys just now when I actually go inside the bag. And at the back you actually have a little bit of cushions on the side for comfortable carrying, and you have this little thing that actually I'm starting to like. This is the part where it goes on top of your carry luggage, so you can just put it there and carry it together with the bag. Now what other thing that I like about the outside of this bag is that they have a little hidden compartment or hidden pocket right here on the strap where you can just put maybe a card. If I just can get through it, you can put a card or a business card. I actually have a business card here, and I have a Woolies card. Now let's go inside the bag, and I'm gonna show you guys what I actually am carrying inside this bag. One other feature that I like about this bag, I'm actually currently only telling you guys everything that I like about the bag, then we're gonna go to the things that I do not like about the bag. It's that you have a little strap here, a little Velcro side or whatever you call this thing. I'm really not sure. You guys, if you know what you call this, what do you call this? If you guys know what it's called, make sure you let me know in the comments down below. So you have that it's holding this part together, and you can just undo it and open the bag all the way down, wide enough for you to get proper access to the actual bag. Let me see if I can just open this in record time, and there we go. This is the inside of the bag itself. So let's start from what I have on this side, and we're gonna come over to the side here. So on this side I have a couple of books just to show you that you can also carry this book. This bag will be actually better for people that actually go maybe to work in the morning and people that are in university, because you cannot really carry a lot of books here. So I have a notes book, and I have management for dummies, and I have a supply chain book inside. So you can see that I can fit 3 big books inside together with the actual tech that I have inside. So in this upper pocket here, as you guys can see. In this upper pocket here I have my Joy-Cons for the Nintendo Switch, which is also in this bag. I have my card holder all in this upper pocket here, and then on the smaller pocket I have some cables for charging devices, and I also have a bigger cable here, which is the one that I normally use, which I'm going to show you guys in a moment. We normally use to charge your device from this port, so it needs to be a longer cable because you normally would use this maybe with the bag on your back, and then you just plug it in maybe while you are walking. Obviously while you're walking in a safe place, you'll be charging it, because I wouldn't advise you to walk maybe in town and have your phone out charging. That's a risky move. So going back inside, I have my Nintendo Switch here, and on this side I have two power banks. One is the power bank that will be normally movable. You can move this one around with the YouTube sticker, and then you have the one that's permanent inside, where it's connected to this little guy here on the side, which you can actually plug your cable or plug your phone. Let me just see if I can plug it in to actually charge your device, which I have my phone here. You just gotta plug it in and charge, which is connected, as I said, to the power bank inside, so you have easier access charging your device. And this side I tried to fit my tablet. It was a hard fit. I wouldn't advise you to actually put a 7-inch tablet here, because it's going to be a really tight fit and you're not going to be able to take it out. So this is the 7-inch tablet that I have here. It's an NVIDIA Shield tablet. I think I have this tablet for almost 3-4 years now. And then on the bigger pocket you can also fit actually a full-blown laptop. And on the bigger pocket I have the 2017 MacBook Pro 15-inch. This guy is big enough to fit there, and it's roughly 15.4 inch. If you guys want to see more videos on this guy, make sure you leave me questions down on the comments on what exactly you want me to cover, if you want me to cover this laptop. But otherwise, this is the 2017 MacBook Pro 15-inch, and that's about it what I have in this bag. Moving to the cons of this bag, it's the inside material. One of the things that I don't like, it feels a little bit cheap. I mean, this bag costs around 300 Rand. It's a cheap bag, but for a bag that's supposed to keep you safe, the material that they use inside I'm really not a fan of, and even the elastic strap that protects or that keeps your devices in shape is also a bit cheap. I guess that's why the price that it is. I'm gonna try and link this bag down in the descriptions if you guys wanna go check it out, and make sure you give it a thumbs up before you actually get to the description, because again you have to pass the like button for you to go to the description. But make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you like the video. And one other thing I don't like also is these pockets here. I really don't know what they were thinking when they made this pocket like stretchable. They could have just made something that's really covered and there is no access on the side. But other than that, also one other thing that I almost forgot, the zips inside are really a bit cheap. Like this one, it looks a little bit cheap. Then again, this is an affordable or a backpack that is really affordable, and I would understand why they would opt with affordable materials to actually make the backpack itself. And this zip as well here, where you have the cable of the USB charging port outside, it's also a little bit on the cheaper side of things. But other than that, this is really a solid backpack for the price that you're going to be paying for it. Now I just kind of put everything back inside so we can actually test how water resistant this bag is. But just looking from the material itself, this looks like a nylon, kind of like plasticky material here in front, and even here it looks like it's going to do a solid. So I'm gonna just drop a little bit of this silverback water. This is sparkling. Let me know which one you prefer. Do you prefer sparkling or still? But I'm gonna use sparkling. That's the only water I have, just to drip it a little bit in front and to show it to you guys that this is actually water resistant. Now I haven't really tested this before, so if my devices inside get damaged, I don't know what I'm gonna do, but let's have the cloth close by so it doesn't drip on me. Now let's drop this water and see if it's really water resistant. So let's start from the top. Hopefully the water will slide too, as you guys can see. And yeah, that's water resistant enough. I guess if you're on the rain, it's really not going to go until the inside, and I think that's about it for water test. I really don't want to damage what's inside this bag. Now, just to show you guys that everything inside is still fine, let me open it. Hopefully it's still fine. Let me open the bag, and the water didn't even reach the inside. As you guys can see, the MacBook is still there. My tablet, which I just threw all in, it's still there, and everything is dry and solid. So that's gonna be it for this video. I just wanted to actually show it to you guys, this bag. I actually have been seeing adverts of this bag all over Facebook, and I wanted to try it myself. Now, there's a lot of different prices on this actual anti-theft backpack, and made by different company. The company that actually makes this one is called Iconics, if I'm not mistaken. But as I said, I'm gonna link it down in the description so you guys can check it out if you want to check it out. And yeah, I guess I just destroyed the bag with should have used still water, not sparkling. So yeah, this is gonna be it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Obviously, if you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and I will catch you guys on my next video. Peace.